Hola beautiful people! Welcome to my channel Being Mommy Vlogs. Today I have come with a very special recipe and one of everyone's favorites. Today we'll prepare homemade veg supreme pizza. Generally if you ask someone what's their favorite food, you'll probably hear the word pizza. Pizza is one of everyone's favorite foods. But not everyone knows how to make a pizza. Don't worry guys, this video will break the recipe down step by step to tell everyone how to prepare and create a pizza. First of all, you must start by prepping all the necessary items for the pizza. Generally, you start by making the dough. But first of all, we'll look into the ingredients which we require for making pizza. Shall we start? Let's proceed. Ingredients required are 2 cup all-purpose flour, pizza sauce, 1 tablespoon yeast, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar, 1 cup oil, here I am using olive oil, pizza cheese, vegetables I have used capsicum, tomato, onion, mushroom, paneer which is cottage cheese, sweet corn, pepper which is black pepper, red chili flakes and salt. In order to make a dough, I have already taken 1 tablespoon of yeast in a cup of warm water and mixed it well and kept it aside. Now let's start making the dough for the pizza. Now take a large bowl, add all-purpose flour, sugar, salt and the yeast mixture to knead the dough. Knead it gently. You can add little bit of water but don't add too much of water as the water in the yeast is sufficient. Knead it gently with your hands and apply some oil to it and cover it with a muslin cloth and keep it aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Here I am taking a pan with little bit of oil and sauteing the vegetables with some black pepper and salt. That's it. Trust me guys, when you saute the vegetables and then place it on your pizza, the flavor is different. I hope you'll all try this. After sauteing the vegetables for about 2 minutes, just keep it aside in a bowl and they're ready to top it on your pizza. Start rolling the dough for making pizza base. Make sure that the ends of the pizza base are thick enough. Don't worry if the dough is not completely even because it will rise evenly when it is baked. Now take your baking pan and apply some oil and dust some flour and place the pizza base on it. Here's the part that can make or break your stuffed crust pizza. Make sure you tuck it into the crust super tight like I am doing. Fold the edges over the crust and firmly press it down to seal it. Now use a fork to poke holes in your crust so that it doesn't develop bubbles when it bakes. Now apply some pizza sauce. The best pizza sauce is simply a sauce that complements your pizza toppings and your pizza crust to create that delicious and unifying taste. Now arrange the toppings as desired and add the grated cheese to cover the toppings. Now it's time to bake your pizza. Bake your pizza at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes till the base starts to turn golden and the cheese turns golden brown. The base should move freely, which indicates a perfectly baked pizza. Now transfer the pizza to another solid surface and cut out into 6 or 8 pieces and enjoy. Now make your pizza night super duper out of this world with this homemade veg supreme pizza recipe loaded with vegetables. This recipe is a great DIY alternative to your takeaway pizzas. This homemade pizza is a delight, not only because you save money but also because you get to play with the toppings. A homemade veg supreme pizza is a great starter pizza for you to try. And I hope this video makes it super easy to make it by yourself. Bye guys.